Hi friends, the world is changing after the introduction of OpenAI, and you must heard about the ChatGPT that is being widely used throughout the world for content generation and uh, actually overall for knowledge base, you can say. At this channel Digician, I'm continuously trying to bring those resources for you through which you can own a digital asset and start earning through that asset. And if we are talking about chat gpt and open ai, you might be wondering how you can own such product through which the content can be generated and you can earn passive income, regular income through the digital product that you are going to use with open ai. Let us take an example. This is ChatGPT login, and I can simply ask a question from this ChatGPT: what is GPT? So let us see what is the answer here. It works very fine. We are also using this ChatGPT for generating the content. In fact, GPT stands for generative pre-trained transformer, which refers to a family of large neural network models developed by OpenAI. Let us okay. So this is a long description, and this chat gpt can generate the specific content on various topics, about all topics. So you are already aware about this. Now let us take another example for which I am recording this video. That means how you can own such digital portal, digital asset through which you can offer the same service, like to generate the AI based content to your users, and you can earn money for offering such service. This is a screen that can write the content for you. Yes, you might have seen earlier or might be using such portals on the internet, and you might be thinking it is a very advanced modules and it is very difficult to create such modules, but nothing like this. In this video we are going to watch how we can own such AI based content writing module for ourselves. I mean, how you can own the such AI based writing portal for you. Okay, so I have already logged in. I will show you each and everything in very short and crisp manner. So I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel. If not, please subscribe this channel, because this is the only channel through which you can explore the options. If you are anyhow related to computer and related service, IT services, you can own a digital assets, many digital assets, and you can start earning your regular income. You can start earning and even offering different services, and through which you can really going to earn for a long drive. So let us overview this AI module for your creating your digital asset for you. Okay, so this is a screen and it is showing AI, right? So we can of course change the name and all. So I will show you two screens basically, two logins basically. One is for user, another is for admin, and finally I'll show you how you can own this complete product for you at your domain, at your hosting, how you can completely start running such portal. Okay, so it is very simple. Don't worry, just watch this video until end. We can create this. So OpenAI, the complete system works on OpenAI API, so you can definitely get an API for you, and it is also a very simple process. Let us come to the new document screen, and here we asked a question: what is chat gpt? And again we can go to the screen, and I will so these are the options. for which you can generate the content like blog idea and outline, blog section writing, business ideas, cover letter, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn ads, Google search ads, post and caption ideas, product description, SEO mode and meta description, SEO meta title, video description, video idea, and much more. So you can configure all these things through the admin that I am going to show you. So blog idea and blog outline. So this is the first option, and we can simply ask a question, primary keyword, what is GPT? Let us ask a question here, and we can generate three variants here. So 1 2 3 options are here, and creativity level is optimum, none, or medium, high, max. And so we can keep it optimum, and we can again select the language. So there are 4 languages available with this API that we are using, and we can by default select English. And what is ChatGPT? It is a very simple question, and now it is writing for us. Write for me option is here, so it is writing for us. Now let us wait for a while the content is being generated by the AI. It may take a while because it works on API. Okay, it's wonderful. We have content. Okay, so blog idea. What is ChatGPT? So we have asked the blog idea, not exactly the question. What is GPT-3 and how it can help businesses? So it is giving the complete blog idea on the sections we can write and complete our blog, and like it is examples of GPT-3 in business. Like we can copy this, and if we go to the blog section writing, you can simply go to the blog center section writing, and AI writers section keywords optional, and we can again generate write for me. So we took an idea, and now we are going with this idea. So you are not using this service. In fact, you are offering this service through your digital asset, through your portal that you are going to create. So it is all going to be created using a script, ready to use script, and now we have this benefits. Now 3 variants we asked for, and now we have these 3 variants on the blog section, and that the idea that we taken from this AI itself. So how GPT-3 revolutionizing business with AI, benefits of GPT-3 for business. So it is content is here, and again the content is here. So we have 3 variation of contents, and we can join all together, or we can re-summarize the content here. So user can use this way completely. This system is for user. So after introduction of this AI, it is very easy to create all this, because we are in fact not writing the codes for retrieving the information from the internet, or the complete whole internet system. So we are simply using the API through which we can really pull the information from the OpenAI actually. So now this is the user screen, and on the dashboard all your generated contents are here, and you can simply I'm talking about assuming you are the user for the time being, and I am the user. So we can generate and save the content, and this is the beauty of this system, that it can save the generated content, and we can rename the content, of course. So we can rename the content, edit the document, and even delete the document. So for what the content was generated, so let us rename this. I'm just showing you how user can use this GPT-3 like. So we can update the name, and later it can be identified like this, and we can further access this document whatever has been generated in the earlier. Okay, so it is really good, and it works very fine. We have multiple options here. So this is a user, and the user can use this system very briefly, and it is really going to be helpful for generating the content and for all these topics, as I said. So these are the topics which is mainly being written and mainly being used for content generation for digital marketers and all those people who are anyhow connected to promotions and in internet promotions, digital marketing, and even for content writing, content generation, content distribution. For so these are the topics for which they are actually looking for, and it is these all are available on this user login. Now, how the system is configured, it can be handled, the complete system can be handled through a admin login, and you are going to be admin since you are the owner of this complete portal. So you are going to be admin, or your associate, whoever is handling the product. So if you are owning the product, we are assuming you are going to be the admin. So let us log into admin screen now. And before I log out and log into admin screen, I must show you the user account screens. This is for user account, and user can select a plan because it is all about earning. So user has to pay for subscription, and this is a very important screen from the earning point of view. So user has to decide which plan he want to use and what amount he want to pay. So you can of course decide the plan here. So this is by default showing here, and after subscribe now it goes to a payment gateway system, and further you can decide and configure multiple payment gateway, and you can change the plan and the deliverables of plan. Like if user is paying like $8.99, so it is generating 1000 AI words per month or similar. So it is access to 12 use cases and all. So whatever you want to offer in the plan, that all can be configured in the admin screen, and this can be select plan, and user can see the payment history whatever he or she had paid earlier. So it is a very important screen. Okay, so let us log out now, and now I am going to log into admin screen, and I'll share all the information in the description of this video in a form of blog or so you can also check all these things at your own. And to this is admin, and the password is root admin. So let us log into admin, and this is the admin screen. So suppose you are being the admin, and you can set all these things, and you can take overview, take control of all these things. So first of all, the revenue is very important. So on the dashboard the revenue is being shown, what you have earned from the system. Okay, so manage plan options. So first of all, I'll show you the options, so you can manage the plan as I shown you in the user screen. So what are the plans available? First of all, I'll show you the system settings. That is really very important. So before we start any script model, and we are launching any portal for services, we need to configure the system through, and this is the screen through which you can configure the complete system. So as I said, you need an API key first of all for using this open AI service. So this is the API key that has been already seeded here, so you can generate your own API key, and there are very nominal pricing for the generating the API keys and using the API keys. So you can explore this open AI screen. Next, you have to configure the mail and all mailing system, and there is nothing like very much technical details you have to put here. So these are simple details, and if you need any support, we are here to help you. So don't worry, just write in the comment section of this video, and I'll also mention our portal through which we can get in touch. Okay, so site setting. Next is the site setting screen, and this is also going to be very important from the portal point of view because you are launching a portal. So basic setting is here. Here you can upload your logo that you want to show, and explore all case and how it works, page and brand title and pricing plans. So pricing plans and all. So you can simply edit the content here, and you can keep your own content. And this is the screen for the user, and this is the first screen that user will interact, and this is the setting that we are watching in the background. So this is for this screen only, so like resources, register, login and dashboard, use cases and pricing plans as we seen in the background. So we can create a pricing plan here. So this is the screen. User have to register first of all and start writing for free whatever plan you are offering. So user will interact with this screen first of all. Coming back to the dashboard, so admin, and this is the main. And for the hero section, like the running text and all, you have to give this information like best AI writer for creating and all. So we can again see best AI writer for creating and all. So this is the control of website that the user will interact. And the next option, so I'll show you through which we can control our website. Like this is the description, button, title, and further you can decide the URL through which user can register. And on the next screen we can configure the manage brand. It is also important, like brand list and all. So you can configure all these brands. So I'm showing very quickly because you can explore all these things at your own. I'm simply willing to show what is available in the system. Use cases as we seen on the user screen, I mean the interaction screen, landing page. So this is the use cases, and you can further edit the use case like this, and you can give your own details and icon and all. So this is completely in your control. I'm referring to the first screen. Again I can show you like use cases. This is the use cases, and you can handle these all information in the background from the admin area. And now what I can show you, we have seen the many use cases, how it works. And for the level up screen, like user wish to change the level up, I mean change the plan. So these are the information and list items. So you can configure all this leveling, level up screen and information. System setting we have seen, site setting we have seen, and next manage user. Okay, so we can completely handle the users. So before that I'll show you how we can manage the menu. So there is already a menu here. You can create your own menu, of course, and you can show your desired tabs. Like we have already seen the resources, support, use cases, product, and all these segments are here. So you can create your own menu. You can simply add new menu using this screen. So this is the menu screen, and you can approve or disapprove approved these menu items as well. Manage user is the screen through which you can actually handle the users, those who are registered at your system. Like these are the users who are active, and you can further take action like edit users, and you can enable or disable users like password change and all. So you can change the plan of users just after receiving the payment, or it can be done automatically. By default it is automatic, but you can change, since you are admin, you can change everything. So user status approved or pending, you can also disable or keep the pending status of user, you can keep pending. Okay, so manage pages. So there are many pages on the website that you are using, and you can search page and add new page if you want to add at your website. So this is the page, and this is page status and short description and long description. And you can similarly you can add new blog. So it is all for the portal that user is saying going to interact with. Like this is the blog pages and all. So you have to handle this all. Okay, and I have already shown you the user screen, so don't get confused. Okay, so this is the control again. So manage plan, this is again going to be important. So manage plan, we have already configured 3 plans like a starter, a standard, and premium. You can further add new plans using this screen, and you can simply give this information and start using. So Stripe is the payment gateway that is very good, and you can easily use the Stripe API ID for charging the payment, and you can even use the Stripe recurring payment system. So it is all available in the Stripe, and you need to create an Stripe account for that. So I will recommend to use Stripe, and you can add new plan, manage the existing plan and all. So the next screen is the payment gateway, through which you can actually configure the payment gateway. As I said, Stripe is most widely used, even it works fine for Indian payment system, I mean the Indian currency, and you can also configure the PayPal for other currency like USD and like. So you can edit this Stripe details and your payment system will work fine, like gateway logo, Stripe, and you'll get all these keys. So Stripe is a free to use payment gateway. Of course it charges for every transaction, but you can get all these key for free. So it is nothing like a very technical thing. You can simply start this portal by configuring all this information, and you are going to be a owner of the product that is generating the content using the AI. Is not it interesting? Is not it worth to have a portal and just a simple investment, very nominal even in $100 you can start all this portal. And so I'm not going to give figures, because depends on your hosting, whatever you want to use, but you can start these portals, you can start these services very simply, and you can really attract the visitor attention and what the services you are offering, and you can start earning using these services. So I believe I have shown much information about this system, and finally I am going to show you which script has been used for creating this AI tool. So this is the AI writer, AI content generator, writing assistant tools, SaaS, I mean the software as a service, and it is available just for $59 at Code Canyon, and you can simply follow the video description link and you can buy this script. Simply configure this script by putting all the information that I shown you, and it is really going to work in no time. So it is really very cool to have such web assets, and you can collect your web assets. You can even own a single web asset can be a medium for earning, for a long time earning, forever earning for you. So you have to decide which web asset and what are the web asset you are going to own. So all I'm going to bring on this channel, all available and all useful assets for you. So you are going to own a complete set of web assets through which you can start your earning. So if you are anyhow connected to the computer system, you can really own such assets and you can start your earning. This is the new way of earning model that I am going to introduce. I'm not introducing, in fact all are available, but I'm just collecting, because most of the time I used to watch the videos, so write blogs and create content, and you will start earning, make videos and all. So I'm also earning from the videos, in fact. But yes, I strongly believe if you own a digital asset, it is going to be a earning model for you forever. So let us meet in our another video, in which I'm going to bring another useful resource for web asset for you. Thank you.